This is the Dallas Morning News. It's Wednesday, October 29th. Sunny, windy, and a good bit cooler today with a high of only 65. Clear tonight with a low of 46. Here are today's headlines. A year-long breakdown in the Mavericks and Stars relationship came to a head Tuesday morning when Dallas's NBA franchise filed suit against the city's NHL team. The teams have had uneven starts to their 25th seasons as American Airlines Center's tenant couple, but their struggles on the court and the ice appear benign compared to the behind-the-scenes strife in the organization's relationship. Late Tuesday morning, Mavericks ownership filed in Texas business court a 253-page petition for injunctive relief against Stars ownership, seeking legal finality on a breach of contract dispute the Mavericks raised in October of last year. The Mavericks allege the Stars are in breach of a clause in their 1998 franchise agreement that requires their corporate headquarters to be located within the city of Dallas, while also claiming in the injunction that the Stars have obstructed further maintenance and improvements to American Airlines Center. The Stars' headquarters and practice facility have been located in Frisco since 2003. Both the Stars and Mavericks, who have shared the arena since it opened in 2001, could leave AAC after the current lease ends in 2031, with the Mavericks seeking to build a new basketball-only arena in Dallas, and the Stars entertaining offers from other cities, including Plano. The news also reported Tuesday that the Stars are eyeing a $1 billion arena at the Shops at Willow Bend Mall site, a move that could see the hockey franchise leave downtown Dallas for the first time in its history. Two people with knowledge of the team's efforts told the Dallas Morning News. The 107-acre mall property on West Park Boulevard has emerged as the favorite to land the NHL franchise after discussions with cities including Frisco, the Colony, Arlington, and Fort Worth, if the team leaves the American Airlines Center after its lease expires in 2031. The 1.4 million square foot mall, the last enclosed mall built in Texas, opened in 2001. Despite hundreds of millions of dollars spent by previous owners, the mall has struggled to attract sufficient shoppers and stores. The team declined to comment on the prospects of an arena at the Willow Bend site, but team president Brad Alberts told the news in an interview earlier this month that the Stars are looking for a facility with 365-day revenue. In other news, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton is suing the makers of Tylenol, accusing the companies of failing to warn consumers about risks of taking the drug while pregnant. In the suit filed Tuesday, Paxton, a Republican, said Johnson & Johnson and spin-off company Kenvue hid information about the drug's link to autism and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. The suit follows warnings from President Donald Trump and U.S. Secretary of Health and Human Services Robert F. Kennedy Jr. last month that using Tylenol during pregnancy can cause autism. Scientists say that link is not proven. In a statement Tuesday to the Dallas Morning News, Johnson & Johnson said it divested its consumer health business years ago, and all rights and liabilities associated with the sale of its over-the-counter products, including Tylenol, which is acetaminophen, are owned by Kenvue. Kenvue said it would vigorously defend itself against Paxton's accusations, which the company said lack legal merit and scientific support. And Woodrow Wilson High School principal Chandra Hooper-Barnett will not return to the school, according to a Tuesday letter from Dallas ISD Superintendent Stephanie Elizalde to families. Hooper-Barnett came under scrutiny in recent days after she held a meeting with only black students about their academic performance, two parents told the Dallas Morning News. District officials named Daniel Petters as interim principal Monday. In Elizalde's letter, which acknowledged a recent meeting but did not include details of what occurred, Elizalde said the meeting was not sanctioned and should not have happened. She said the decision was made after reviewing preliminary details and made with our students' best interest in mind. In a letter to families Monday, Hooper-Barnett acknowledged she held a meeting during an advisory period last week that caused concern within our school community. Woodrow Wilson, located in East Dallas, served nearly 2,000 students last school year per state data. Black students made up 6% of the campus population last school year. The school received a B in this year's academic accountability ratings. Thanks for listening. For more on today's stories and the latest breaking news, visit dallasnews.com. Enjoy your day, and I'll be back tomorrow with more from the Dallas Morning News.